Bevacizumab is a monoclonal antibody treatment that treats non-small cell lung cancer by targeting tumor blood vessel growth, thus reducing the nourishment necessary for tumor cells to rapidly proliferate. Let's first take a look back at what happens to our lung cells when they mutate. Once the DNA of the cell has been damaged, the cell starts to divide uncontrollably. As these mutated cells begin to accumulate, they start to form a small tumor mass. Well, for this small tumor mass to continue growing, they need blood vessels to help nourish and support their growth. To achieve this, the tumor can actually induce blood vessel growth in a process known as angiogenesis. The formation of these blood vessels helps the tumor survive and thrive. To help with angiogenesis, the tumor relies on a protein called vascular endothelial growth factor A, abbreviated as VEGF-A. Let's take a closer look at where VEGF-A comes into play in angiogenesis. To do its job, VEGF-A binds to specific VEGF-A receptors on our lung cells. By binding to the receptors, VEGF-A triggers the angiogenesis process. This results in the rapid growth of new tumor blood vessels that help feed the growing tumor, providing oxygen and nutrients to support tumor growth. Let's now take a look at bevacizumab. Bevacizumab is a monoclonal antibody treatment. Monoclonal antibodies consist of a constant region and a variable region. The variable region is also referred to as the antigen binding site. An antigen can refer to any substance in the body, and as the name suggests, the variable region is what binds to the specific antigen. This variable region can contain millions of different configurations. Thus, the variable region is designed to match only a single unique antigen and is responsible for the incredible specificity of antibodies. For bevacizumab, the variable region is designed to target VEGF-A as the antigen, meaning that bevacizumab has an extremely high specificity and affinity to VEGF-A. Bevacizumab directly binds to VEGF-A. This then prevents VEGF-A from interacting with the receptors on our lung cells. As a result, VEGF-A cannot stimulate angiogenesis for our growing tumor. This has multiple positive effects, including the blocking of new vessel growth and the regression of existing tumor blood vessels. As such, bevacizumab cuts off the nourishment for the tumor, helping control its growth and preventing its spread to other tissues and organs in our body.